If you want to build real apps, you need to stop putting everything in one file. It gets messy, slow, and impossible to fix. In earlier video, we made an app which was a single HTML file, and in this video we will create a web application where it is organized in a proper structure. I'm going to show you how we will architect it with help of Claude Code and make an application which is portfolio site. So let's jump to the Windows machine. So today we will build a professional looking portfolio site within few minutes, which will be organized in different files. In the professional world, we separate our concerns. The HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the design, and JavaScript is the logic. By keeping these separate, we can build much bigger things without the AI getting confused. In enterprise world though, the things can get further complex as a lot of structure is involved so that development can happen parallelly by multiple developers. So the branching, Git, and many more complexities come in picture. But for this video, we will stick to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and we will also add a data file which will work like a database. We will have a simple data.json file. So let's get started. We will create a new project, go to file and open folder, and then we will go to projects folder, create a new folder here. We'll call it as portfolio site. We'll go inside it and select this folder. So now this particular site is opened inside the VS Code. So we will open up the command palette and open Claude Code in a new window. We will put it on the right side like so. Now we will start writing the prompt. So as you can notice my prompt, I'm not just asking for code, I'm asking for a structure. We will hit enter. Now it is creating the project with HTML, CSS, JS and data JSON segregation. So we will also again select edit automatically here so that it can write the files and edit the files. Watch the VS Code sidebar. On the left, Claude Code isn't just writing, it is writing and creating a whole ecosystem of files and linking them together automatically. As a no-code person, you don't have to worry about how to link the CSS to the HTML. Claude handles the plumbing. This is the level up because we have a separate data file now. I can change my website content just by editing this simple file. As you can see, it has created a lot of sample projects here. You can come here and edit this file as well. It's pretty easy. So I don't even have to touch the scary code. As you can see, it has created the professional portfolio project with 4 files: index.html, CSS file, JS file, JSON file. So now we can open this file in Explorer and open it in browser. As you can see, it has created a great looking portfolio site. Hello, I am Himanshu Sasdeva, full stack developer. So let's scroll down. It has put some about me and featured projects. So it is not able to load the projects. So we'll fix that. It is also showing my technologies, front end, back end, database, and tools. Get in touch. So a great looking portfolio site within few minutes. Now let's get back to VS Code and do two things. One is the projects are not loading. Add a dark mode toggle. Let's hit enter. Watch how the terminal is working here. Claude is jumping between different files. It's updating the brain, the skin, and the skeleton all. It is ensuring that all the files are staying in sync. The project tree is organized and it is scalable. If I want to add 100 projects, I can just go into the JSON and add into it. We have moved from a snippet to building software. So as you can see, it has completed the task. It has also added dark mode toggle. So let's get back to the HTML and reload it. As you can see, it has applied the dark mode already and it has provided a toggle. If we click this toggle, great, it works as expected. So it has now loaded the projects, though images are getting broken. E-commerce platform, task management app, weather dashboard, blog CMS, portfolio generator, real-time chat application. So you can keep on doing this further. If we want to add some more things like another section or add more projects, you can do that. So that's how we can create a professional looking portfolio site in few minutes. Now we are incrementally moving further from the previous videos where earlier we created a simpler application. Now we have added the data layer where we are able to add the projects. So we have 4 files now. Moving further in the next projects, we will explore API building and also adding the real database like a PostgreSQL database or a MySQL database into the application. So we will keep on incrementally building it. So keep tuned in for the next week's video. Don't be afraid of multiple files. With Claude Code, you have an architect sitting in your terminal who keeps everything organized for you. So start small and then split your files, logic separate, style and CSS separate, and the HTML part separate. You can add more structure to it if you'd like. If you want to build on this portfolio site which we just made, you can check the link in the description below and download it. So let's keep building. If you want to know how to set up VS Code and Claude Code extension as a beginner, check out this video.